mo fi ẹ̀rí fún.
Ekuaro, Baba. Baba, can I go call the others for the lecture?
I will be back, Tunde.
Okay, Baba.
Let me change my clothes.
Everyone, come to the tree for the lecture. Dio, Segun, Kemi, it's time for lecture today. It will be interesting. For lecture. Coming today.
Baba walks down and sits quietly under the tree, waiting for Tunde to gather the villagers.
Baba, we're here.
Welcome, my children. Come, sit.
Yes, Baba.
Listen carefully, children. Many people in this world are confused about three things: Ori, Ayanmo, and Eleda. They mix them together, but they are not the same. Today, I will explain the difference. Eleda means the one who created you. Before any human being comes to this world, there is a divine power that forms that life. That power is what our elders call Eleda. Eleda is the source of your existence, the one who gave you life, the one who allowed you to enter the world. Without Eleda, you cannot exist. Ori is your personal spiritual head. It is the part of you that carries your destiny. Your Ori guides your life. Your Ori decides how your destiny will unfold. Two people can be born in the same house, but their Ori will not be the same. One may struggle, another may rise easily. Why? Because their Ori is different. Ori is your personal spiritual authority in life. Ayanmo, the journey your life will follow. Your opportunities, your challenges. Before a person comes to earth, the soul chooses Ori. Inside that Ori, Ayanmo. So Ayanmo is the life path written inside your Ori. Now listen carefully. Eleda creates you. Ori carries your destiny. Ayanmo is the destiny itself. Let me make it simple. Ayanmo is the road. Your Ori is the driver. Your Eleda created both. This is why you must never be wicked to another person. Because you are not the only one that has Ori. You are not the only one that has destiny. And you are not the only one that has Eleda. Every human being carries their own. Let us say Akin prays to God and his prayer is answered. Then you now go and say, God of Akin, answer me too. No, that is not how it works. Stand before God Eledumare with your own Ori. Call on your own Eleda. Do not depend on another person's spiritual head. But there is someone very powerful in your life. Your mother. Your mother carried you in her body for many months. Your life grew inside her. Because of that connection, a mother's prayer for her child can be very powerful. But even your mother cannot replace your Ori. Your Ori is still your personal spiritual authority. Remember this for the rest of your life. Eleda created you. Ori guides you. Ayanmo is the journey you must walk. Ori is the negotiator of Ayanmo. That is why we appeal to our Ori. Because whatever destiny Ayanmo carries, it is Ori that helps us walk through it. Simple teaching for Omo Oduduwa. So if a part of Ayanmo is difficult or unfavorable, we appeal to our Ori through prayer, character, and spiritual alignment. Ori speaks on your behalf. Ayanmo is the journey. Eleda is the creator of both. And that is why a person must always respect their Ori. Iwure Palace Yoruba Heritage. The heritage continues, our guide, our future.